Welcome, one and all, to the Magic Umbrella. Well, back out tonight. It's a Sunday evening. Just out. What do you want? Got one over here that just wants to be. Let me put this down. What do you want? Come here. You want up here? Well, then, hush up. Anyway. Annie over here. Annie Paul's here. Putting her 2 cents in. And I'm out under the wondrous lighted umbrella. Got out today. I did one video and I got so much back from interference with the sound that it sounded, I couldn't get the ringing out of my ears and I did like about a hour video. So I'm back at it again. Got out here, got a few things that I've gotten through. A few things. I've got another one of these things in the house, but I'm not real good at these things. Yeah, kids are. Yep, I got a feeling this is a big thing. It's going to be on the Christmas list this year. Fidget spinners. Whoa. Oh, I'd offer you a candy cane, but don't have a transporter to put them through the screen. Here. Got a nice, lovely fire going tonight. Kind of a fire. Let's put it that way. It's not a roaring fire. It's that wonderful little plug-in fire that I've got. And in the middle of a shake. Now that's good. This is my car coming up behind, getting some extra lighting. Anyway, started this about, gee whiz, it must have been, it's been a while, because I did it shortly after Christmas last year, 2016. Started doing 1 shake a day and less to eat, a little more exercise, you know how it is. So far, I went down from about 268 to now I'm about 243. Not a big thing. 268 to 243. Yeah. Anyway. But then again, I put on muscle mass where I didn't have it because of working out. And people wandering around out tonight, out on the porch, out on the back porch, front porch, whatever porch you want to call it. It's down in this little hole at the condo. Anyway, and Annie's playing with her squeaker toy. And she's getting mad because I'm squeaking it. Anyway, protein. Even got some good stuff, a little powder I put in for my beard and that. I just started doing the powder for my beard and that, hoping that it'll get it to grow faster and stronger and healthier and that. And it's wonderful once it gets in the beard and you got to get it out. You save that for later. It's called your soup strainer. Pour hot water through it later and have soup, of course. Of course, you guys know that. Anybody that's got a beard knows that. Oh, and this bird's nest here. Kind of didn't do much to it this morning, except put some, wash it, condition it, put some oils back in it, make sure it stays good and strong. So when them kids start yanking at it when I'm Santa this year, maybe some of it'll stay. Won't get no bald patches. Anyway, out here, getting out. I hope you can hear me. I know this thing doesn't always do too good. I think I got theater lighting on, I'm not sure. Let's see, I'll click this button and see what happens. Yeah, that looks better with that on. Let's do it off. People pull up in front of the condo all the time. Probably hear all kinds of things. Oh, tired tonight. Yesterday, did the flea market. Found all kinds of goodies. Of course, I put some pictures on last night for it. And that was taken care of. I showed a bunch of that stuff. I don't know as I showed the toys and stuff. I got some old toys I fix up. Jolly old fat man that fixes toys, builds toys, yep. Got me a Buddy L, nice old Buddy L, with white walls. And that little rusty and crusty, missing this in there. Got rid of the spider webs pretty much, so there's a few spider webs in here. That ding you heard, that was probably a Facebook. Ugh. Be alright as long as I don't pull back a finger and a spider on it. Be kind of rough. Reach in there and some old brown recluse be in there. Well, what do we got here? This is a patent. Look at the patent numbers. Always do. This is a nice old Buddy L though. They differ just a little bit than the Tonka in the fact that they got this rounded piece up here in their windows. This has got some nice white walls. And the Buddy L came out with a feature back in the day. It's like a little metal clip. Yeah. Back in the day, kids had shocks on there. Back in the day, hell, this type of toys I played with. Maybe some of you, although there's a lot of you youngsters out there on Bearded Nation and that. And this one I really like. And say, what's the matter, Annie? You want up here? You want to sit on my lap? Come on up. You want to play? You got plenty of water, plenty of food, good stuff. I gave you a puppy cookie. It's in there. Anyway, got me a nice Tonka. Nice red Tonka. Not in too bad a shape. Except on the top, a little bit of paint. Wear and tear. Good thing is, headlights are still in it. A lot of times they're gone, and this glass is, and it has to be replaced. And that. Yeah, not too much. A little bend here and a little bend there, and it'll be nice. Wheels are White walls are a little yellow, but a little bit of distilled vinegar will clean that up, make it nice. I think this one I'm not going to do a whole lot to. I'm just going to set it on the shelf just like it is. Yeah, I've got all kinds of these trucks and toys and stuff like that I've built up. Some I keep, some end up. One of the nephews or nieces or kids around and about end up with them. I collect that stuff. Sometimes I buy, sell, and trade them. Those right there, they make nice presentate. Yeah. Really, all I'm drinking is protein shake. Yeah, but my tongue's not working tonight. Oh, okay. And in the beard again it goes. But did that. Went out. Of course, I got my mugs yesterday. I also got a few other things. I had some job offers yesterday, but couldn't take them because I'd already got prior commitments in November. But not yesterday, but the day before, when I went to the mall I'm going to be at, I had went in to get some more protein shakes and powder. I never got it there at the GMC there, or I don't know. Anyway, the health and bodybuilding store up there. Anyway, I'd never been in that one. Got in, walked in, the guy's eyes got big. He says, "Man," he looked at my beard and he says, what you in here for?" And I says, "Well, some more stuff. Kind of helped my beard grow and kind of shed a few pounds and that. And all that. Still keep protein up and everything." And he says, "Yeah, a lot of guys that grow beards come in here and they want, things like collagen, and then there's some other things and that." I bought a little container stuff that probably about as big as round as the top of this glass, only a little taller, and cost me too much, but it'll be worth it if it helps with the skin. Well, it's for skin, hair, nails, and everything. It's good. It's also good for the joints. When you get like me, an old fart like myself, you need to keep them joints a-going. And that. Being kind of quiet. My other video earlier today that got the back ringing in it, I had music going to it. What do you want? Oh, the bag of treats is in there. I know you didn't eat it. You got some of these. See? You want to look? Here. Yeah, she's not spoiled a bit. Uh-oh, somebody must be walking out that way. She thinks she's a Rottweiler. There. Want that? That's a heart. You want that heart? Come up here. Come on. Come on up here. Up. There we go. Let's have a visit. Here, you want that heart? You gonna eat it here or go? Oh, you're gonna take off, huh? Go get in your bed. Yeah. Wish I could roll my bed out on this porch. It's feeling good out here tonight. It'd be nice. I need a hammock. Either that or one of those folding lawn chairs. I'd crash on it out here. It's good and cool. Well, it's starting to get cool from the sun going down. don't know. I see it in the picture here as I record, but looks like it must be the light from the fire making like a cloud across the back, almost like a stream. Good for the magic umbrella here. Gives it some color and some stuff. I know my video isn't very exciting, but I'm out here just kind of kicking back. Maybe I'll find something to entertain you with that'll get things a-going and that. Show off my junk. Little old hoarder me. No, I won't be put on one of those shows hoarding. Ah, yes. There's one of my Tonkas. Tonka Jeep. Really nice one that I restored partially, as best as I could. I still don't have the cap on it. And of course, put the elf on the shelf reindeer down. Put Mr. and Mrs. Troll Claus down. Yeah. Look at there. Only a face that mother could love. I was talking about this face here. Anyway. This was kind of messed up. Redid the wheels on it. Redid the, didn't have a steering wheel when I got it. Touched it up a bit. Made the paint better. Then put the original pieces on here. I still have yet to find the, there's like a plastic, looks like the canvas covering on there. And that. You have some of those in your dish, kiddo. It's not any good unless I hand it to you, is it? I'll put this up. Let's see. Right there. Okay, here you go. Come on up. You want it. You'll come here. No, you can't have the trolls. Yeah, she's always getting into something. She's still kind of a pup. Well, I guess 3 years old then. Get a pup. She acts like a pup. Yeah. Don't have my cap teeth in. Just my poor old ragged teeth I got. My real teeth. My teeth that I put in to play Santa Claus and that. And if you look right there real close, where is it? See that chew mark? There's a few other teeth marks you can't see very well, but in this little container, had my teeth beside the bed. One night, she decided she was going to see what was in it. She got in it and chewed my teeth up. I ended up having to make some new teeth. Oh gosh, what are you gonna do? Puppy dogs, puppy dogs, puppy dogs. I love them. Drink a protein shake, follow it up with some iced tea, and then maybe walk in and grab a Pepsi Blue Ribbon or something. No, that's what I got now. Don't have any stout tonight. So, and we must have company out there, because she's either that or she's working at that airplane going over. Probably the beer will do something to the protein shake, but although some beer, especially your stouts, have some protein in it. Oh, let's see what we got. Hey, we're pushing at 20 minutes. Not a very exciting 20 minutes now, mind you, but oh, Anthony, calm down. Gonna look at a little bit of no screen me for a minute while I check and see what she's barking about. Just people getting in and out of their cars. Just people getting in and out of their cars. Come on, over here. Come on, get in bed. Lay down. You don't listen to me, huh? Oh, you're pretty good. No, she's not. Gonna go find out what somebody else is doing. Come here. They're just walking. Hush. You'll go in the house. You'll go in the house. I think somebody's walking another dog. Oh, I think that dog would, even as little as she was, would take on a Rottweiler or a Great Dane. And there is somebody out here in the condos that's got a Great Dane. And these are all 2-bedroom condos. That dog must have a bedroom of its own. It's a little gal too. Short little gal. And I know I've seen them out. That thing's almost as tall as she is. But probably is if it stands up. But, and the crazy thing is, Anna gets along with that, but some of these little dogs, she's just going to try and tear them up. I don't know. Probably knows that it'd eat her in a single bite if she didn't behave. Well, I had that out. Oh, I know what I was going to do. Well, Angel, if you listen to this long enough and hear your name said, I'm going to go down and see what I got to do to send that package off. I got a package that I'm going to send off to you. And I'll probably go regular mail. I don't know. I may go up. So it just depends. But anyway, send you a few things that I've got around here. A couple surprises. And that. Plus some other things. Some things you can have some fun with. Besides the surprises. Let's see. I got... let me get over here. I've taken a bunch of these to parties over the summer. We had a hamburger bash, or what we call a cheeseburger bash, over at some friends. He works for a local microbrewery, and yeah, it was a good party. He brought some red beer and some other beers and a few stouts. Boy, he was looking after me. But anyway, I took probably about 30 or 40 things so we could have us like a little, this was back in July, Christmas in July, and that we went to the hamburger party and had a good time. Had cheeseburgers and hot dogs and a big bonfire, and got out, and there was all kinds of things going on. I mean, it was just fun. People from a little pub that before my buddy Nick went to work at the brewery, his family used to own a bar, and he used to bartend this and that. And Nick, yep, Santa Claus knows somebody that's named Nick. But anyway, Nick, he's a good old boy, and he got out. His family got out of the bar business, which is kind of sad. It was kind of like being at Cheers. We had our own Norm. We had our own, Sam and everybody else, and that. But at his party that he had, his wife is just a little bit, and she just got back earlier, about the month before, from fighting fires. And if you seen the gal, she's a beautiful gal. She's a nice gal. But to look at her, you wouldn't think. She's no bigger than a minute. And Nick, of course, he's tall. Bearded. Hey, gotta give that to him. Nice, heavy black beard. But this little gal, she jumps from planes, goes out and fights fires. She's a tough little gal. But anyway, the party. Well, I took some party favors, just like a bunch of others did. I have friends that do all kinds of things. Are in trucking, in just trash and treasure, antiques, pick junk, scrappers, and things like that. And I had one of them come up with a bunch of these here some time ago. They're Samuel Adams' Ugly Christmas Vest. And of course, as soon as he found them, who do you think he thought of? Me. So I ended up with at least 100 or more of those. I took a bunch of them to the party. And I don't know, I might have 10, 15, 20, maybe 30 of them left. I don't know. But of course, I trimmed the tinsel off. I'm not as flashy as that. And I made mine. Of course, I've wore it. Probably some of you seen pictures of it. I'm thinking about sending some of these out to California to Angel to do with what he wants. Maybe the whole administration there at Bearded Nation will be in an ugly sweater contest or an ugly sweater vest thing. Anyway, do I look more festive now? Of course, I only got one size, and that's an extra large, which is good for me because I'm at least an extra large. I'm about a extra large here. Oh yeah. Oh, got a wonderful little pocket. I guess that's for that Samuel Adams beer when you're sitting down through there. But anyway, Angel, I think I'm going to send some of those in the packaging. What you do with them, I don't know. I'll send us a few other things, surprises and that I think you'll like. But maybe you'll have a barbecue. I can see all of you. Don't get too close to the fire because I don't know about that tinsel. Anyway, there's that. I'll set that up on that chair there. Oh. Well, I've talked a good 30 minutes. more than I should have. Probably bored a lot of people stiff. I probably would have been more jovial if I started with the Pabst Blue Ribbon first. Okay, well, Skull, cheers. And yeah, I could drink and drive after this, but maybe later. Love yous all. Take care. Now if I can find that daggone mouse. Shut this thing off.